Guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be creating this very fresh-faced, almost no makeup look using Beautycounter's Flawless in 5 set. If you aren't familiar, the brand Beautycounter, which is a really amazing, transparent, clean, and very safe beauty and skincare brand, they have a set of makeup basics that allow you to create a full face look in 5 minutes or less. So if you're interested in learning more and watching me create this look, again, using Beautycounter's Flawless in 5 set, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so before I jump into the footage of me creating this look using Beautycounter's Flawless in 5 set, I just want to give you a little bit more information about Beautycounter, the set, and some really exciting news that I have regarding Beautycounter. So if you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen that I recently announced the fact that I have recently signed on to be a Beautycounter consultant. So I have been a Beautycounter customer for over 5 years. I've never sold and or have been affiliated with the brand prior to now. So I've really had a lot of time to A, become familiar with the brand, B, use their products to get a really good feel for them, because honestly, I use all of their skincare and a ton of their makeup. So I've really become familiar with the products, how they work, and things like that. So I signed on to become a consultant because I have been such a happy customer, and based on the fact that I feel that Beautycounter's mission, which is to get safer products into the hands of everyone, really aligns with my mission and beliefs here at Clean Green Being, which is to educate you, the consumer, about the importance of ingredients, brand transparency, and eco-friendly living. So I just felt the partnership, it just felt like the time was right. However, with that said, now that I am a consultant for Beautycounter, I just want to mention that I'm still going to feature all of the other really great beauty and skincare products that are available on the clean beauty market to use. So I don't want you to think that I'm cutting all of that out. I'm still going to be featuring a variety of brands. I just wanted to mention that I've signed on to be with Beautycounter because they are truly a brand that I believe in. So real quick, before I talk more specifically about the Flawless in 5 set, I just want to give you a little bit of information about Beautycounter if you aren't familiar. They are a really great, transparent, clean beauty brand that restricts over 1,500 harmful ingredients from within their products, so they have a never list. They are also working on the legislative level to help make more strict laws pertaining to the testing, regulations, and the ingredients that are used in our personal care products. So not only are they producing clean beauty, they're also just trying to make the beauty industry as a whole kind of a safer place for us as the consumer to really navigate. And what's more, their products are just as effective, pigmented, high quality as all other beauty and skincare out there on the market, clean beauty and conventional beauty combined. It's just really a high quality brand, which basically explains why I've been a happy customer of theirs for over 5 years. Okay, so more on the Flawless in 5. So this is Beautycounter's kind of makeup essentials kit, and it comes with a foundation, a blush, brow gel, mascara, and a lip gloss to help you create a full face look in 5 minutes or less. So without any further ado and me blabbing away, let's just go ahead and jump into the footage of me creating this fresh, chic, easy, and quick no makeup look using Beautycounter's Flawless in 5. right, so that completes this very quick and easy, fresh and chic look using Beautycounter's Flawless in 5 set. Of course, I added in the bronzer and highlight. That's just kind of my personal preference. I don't really think it adds too much time to, creating the whole look. But there have been days to which I've slept through my alarm, or the girls, I needed to do something with the girls in the morning, which basically left me with no time to do my makeup. So there have been many mornings where I just do the basic Flawless in 5 without the bronzer and highlighter, and I can still create a really beautiful look. I just think there's something so elegant about this look. It's just like you look beautiful without trying too hard, if you know what I mean. I'm all for a full-blown glam look. However, most days, if you are to see me walking down the street, running errands, what have you, this is more of the look that you would typically see me in. And what's so great, of course, about Beautycounter, and I'll tell you time and time again, is that I just get a peace of mind using these products that you just really can't get from conventional beauty products on the market. I know what's in them. I know what the brand is doing to change legislation so that not just their products, all products on the market are safe for, our and our family's bodies. There's just something bigger to this brand that I really feel drawn to. And I just feel really great when I wear their products. I look great, I get so many compliments, and if you are looking to purchase any of Beautycounter's products, they have a lot of makeup. But however, I think the Flawless in 5 is a really great place to start because this is really Beautycounter's makeup basics to which you can build off of to create more complex looks. So if you are looking for just a fresh, no makeup look, Flawless in 5, you're good to go. If you want to add on, like I did, the bronzer and highlight to just kind of add a little something extra, you can add that on from there. And then of course they have so many great eyeshadow palettes that I can't wait to share with you. So with that being said, let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. You can always send me an email. My email is listed also in the description below, along with my consultant link through the website. You can also send me a DM through my Instagram if you have any questions, say about your skin type and kind of what option would be best for you. Definitely reach out to me and I'd be happy to kind of direct you to the appropriate product for your personal needs. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much, as always, for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday, so I'm actually backing off my upload schedule to 1 day a week so that I can focus on getting my blog up, which I'm really excited about. So I'm hoping to launch that in the coming months. So in the meantime, I need a little extra time to focus on that because I really think you're going to enjoy that. So changing my upload schedule to Sundays. And if you haven't done so already, before you go, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.